Hi guys, Trevor here. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. I love Mondays because I work from home. I have no boss. I choose what I do when I do. You know, it's a great life. And that is what I want for you guys, as you know. So I try and find things that will make a difference, that can really kind of fast track your progress. I've just come through from nowhere to where I am today in the last almost 2 years now, and I've learned so much. And as I'm learning more all the time. I'm able to pass more information on to you guys. So Members Kit is something that I've picked out, you know, to showcase for you guys for a few reasons. And what I thought I'd do is give you a little demo of what you can actually do with it. I've just had a little play about with it just to show you how simple this is and the power of this and what it can do for you. Now, I've not, let me see, I'm just setting up an account here. I just want to show you this. Look. This is the login page, okay, for something that I've called SEO Magician. I created the name in seconds, SEO Magician, and then I got a free to use with no attribution image to go with it, and I created a logo very simply, and I teach all of this stuff in my pimper training, but this is very easy for you to do, okay? So I've come up with a brand. I've also color coded the brand, the logo with the rest of the color around, you know, on that page there. So as you can see, it's looking pretty damn sexy. Okay, now I've put my name in, my email address, put my password in to create an account as if I'm a new user. I have not clicked on create account yet, so this is going to be live, so I'm just hoping that it works, but I just thought it'd be a good way to do this. So let's click on that now and see what we get. Okay, I'm going to save that. And here we are on the home page, which is, you know, it's looking good. It's got the logo there, which is all good. So let's just load that and see. Okay, blank. So I wasn't expecting that. Just bear with me. Right, it's all good. What I didn't press save. So I'm going to show you anyway how easy this is. It's going to be great now because you're going to see me do it live, and you'll see that I wasn't kidding you when I said I would. I'd just done this very quickly. Now the time, if I just move this over here, look down the bottom here, the time is 12:32 in the UK on the 3rd of December, Monday. All right, so 12:32. Let's see what we can do. So first of all, I'm going to go over to templates, and I'm going to go for multi-video page. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some videos. These are kind of placeholders. I'm going to get some videos. I'm going to put my logo in. So let's go up to image upload. I'm going to drag that over here, choose a file, and go for my little logo. Double click on that and upload. And that puts that there. Now I'm just going to resize that, and I'm going to click on the shift key when resizing. Oh, wrong one. Click on the shift key when resizing this to keep the proportionate dimension so it doesn't go skew with, okay, and just bring that back up there. Right, then what we're going to do is going to get a couple of I should stop the clock actually, because I'm going to go off and get a couple of videos, but I guess, you know, let's keep the whole thing running the way it is. We're in 2 minutes so far. I'm going to just right click this, and I'm going to choose Oswald, and I'm going to go 24, and I'm going to say well, I don't know what I'm going to say yet, actually, because I haven't chose the video. So let me go and get the video. Right, so I've got the video. So I'm going to right-click just in this little area here, and I'm going to post the whole thing in, paste the whole thing, and then take everything out apart from that, and update video. And there I have how to rank high in Google. So I'm going to right-click here, and I'm going to put in here how to rank high. All right, update text. There we have that. Same over here. Right-click. I'm going to go Oswald 24, update that. I'm going to go and get another video. I'm going to come here, I'm going to right click, going to paste everything in and take everything out apart from, oh no, I just got the P there. See what I did there? So we just want this little bit at the end there. Update video, and we've got how to hire an SEO. So I'm going to right click that, and I'm going to go how to hire an SEO. Update text. Okay, so then I'm going to come over to the controls, and I'm going to hit save, which I didn't do before. That's saved now, and it's now 12:36. So what's that been? 4 minutes, guys. So we go back over to this, and I'm going to reload this page, and hopefully everything's going to be tickety boo, as they say. Okay. Right, so what I need to do is I need to log in, because I've logged in as the kind of creator. I need to log in as that user. So I'm just going to click on here to get links. I'm going to go for the home link there, and let's see what happens if I paste that in there. I don't know what's going to happen because I'm already logged in. All right, let members log in. So you can see it's looking sexy. Members log in, and I'm going to put in my login here, and password, log in there, and there we go. That's loading up now. Okay, so it's now 12:37, as you can see down there. And you know, I've only changed 2 of these, but you saw how quick that was. I've made this look like a really nice site in no time, literally in 4 minutes. And this is only the 2nd time I've done it as well, so you can see no learning curve. Very, very simple. Now, also, more importantly, these videos that I've got for you here, okay, these I've found, I'm going to teach you a strategy in my bonus that shows you how you can get videos like this that you can use in your site absolutely legitimately, legally, ethically, and everything else, so you can get content in any niche that you can think of, and you can build a membership site like this in seconds. Now, this is SEO Magician. I can now go over to Facebook and I can do a post and say, who would like free access to my new membership site, SEO Magician, where you're going to learn how to rank high in Google, how to hire an SEO, and all the other videos that are in there, you know, all that sort of thing. Comment Magician below. They comment Magician below. I send them the link. They log in. They create their account. I get their email address. That is list building 101, guys. This is powerful stuff, and you can use these for anything you want. You know, you can create this you can create a site to sell. You can create a site like this with your own content if you've got it. If you want to do it, you can use other people's content. You could go and get PLR content and put that into here. You can go and get PLR videos, upload them to YouTube, embed them yourself just like this. And you can sell it. You can use it as a lead magnet to build your list. You can use it as a bonus to increase your affiliate commissions. This is super, super easy, super, super powerful, and it's only a 3-day launch, and 1 day of that has already gone. We've only got 2 days left, guys. I've got an incredible bonus package with this. You've seen me do it in just a few minutes. I mean, it's only 12:39 now, and we've been talking about it for a while afterwards as well. So you can see that this is no BS. It's straightforward, absolutely, you know, easy membership site. The easiest, no learning curve. It's, you know, I can't explain how easy this is. You've seen me do it. As I said, only the 2nd time. The 1st time I just didn't hit save. You know, that's how simple this is. So go and grab it now before you miss the opportunity. Email bonusclaim@floss.net with the words members kit, and I'll send you your goodies. All the best, Trevor.